Hello everybody, Del here, and we've got some ingredients. We've got some unsweetened almond original flavor milk. We've got an empty plastic cup, and we have some Hello Kitty milk straws, do they call them? This is what they look like. And so we're going to test the milk straw out, see how it is, if it's any better for drinking milk. So away we go. Okay, there's that. Here's the straw, the milk, and me. Okay, so what am I supposed to be feeling? Exhilaration? Is this gonna excite my taste buds? What?
Well, I guess what are you tasting anything different other than almond milk?
No. But can you eat these straws as well?
Yeah, try biting one.
These aren't bad tasting.
What does it taste like?
Like a nice sort of cookie-ish cracker. So some people would put this in their coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Use it to stir, and then as the coffee goes down, maybe start eating the straw. So yeah, this might be kind of fun. Stir your cereal with this, and then eat it. These aren't bad.
So do you like them more as a cookie or a straw?
More as a cookie. If I'd have known they taste this good, I wouldn't have let this box sit here.
We can have another. A whole box full of these things.
And then you can act like you're smoking a cigar and you're some kind of big shot or something.
There you go.
Many uses for this. So, it's one of the precepts, one of the guiding parameters of our channel. We always try to be respectful of your time. So we're not going to use 15 or 20 minutes or 40 minutes to tell you what we can tell you in 2 minutes. So basically, in case you haven't heard of these Hello Kitty milk crackers or milk straws, it shows here on the picture that there's like some vanilla syrup and some chocolate syrup. Think we should get a second opinion? Also, I don't feel really enamored about you only getting my opinion about something. So we've got a special guest here, and she's going to give you her opinion of this.
Oh, first things first. Which one should I start with? Some chocolate?
Okay.
Just let it, just a little something to take the edge off. Okay. I usually do like chocolate more, but we'll see. And this is strawberry or vanilla?
I think it might just be vanilla.
Which one did you like?
I liked them both, but I knew I'd like the vanilla better.
Mm.
What do you
I'm
got?
a chocolate person.
What do you got over there?
Oh, these are how do you pronounce that?
Speculoos?
Speculoos?
Speculoos.
Speculoos with an S. Okay, these are speculoos cookie cracker type things. I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm certain I'm gonna like it.
You're gonna put some of the sauce on? Or?
Okay, so
Gotta try it without the sauce.
Yeah, try it
Okay.
without the sauce and then with
without the sauce first.
Gotta build onto
These are sort of soft. You wouldn't think that they would be, but they are. That's kind of nice, and they taste good. And so we'll try with this. They call cilantro. This is an everything type of thing for hamburgers, hot dogs, and sandwiches, and
biscuits.
salads and whatnot, and speculoos crackers. So let's see if we get some of that cilantro out of here. Naturally, when I need it to come out, it ain't come. There it is. Okay. So there it is,
Okay.
and here it is. I think this is more of a thing for something else, like maybe burritos or tostadas or something like that. Got a little bit of a bite to it, and it's kind of the thing that you have to develop a taste for. But having said that, I would probably like this on hamburgers along with mustard and ketchup and cheese and so forth, and some of this. Hang on. Some of this Dano's seasoning. So in conjunction with those other items, I think it would be pretty cool. So, yeah, as I started to say before, I wanted to then say that for a while, that other people that run their videos, they draw them out as much as possible, and to me they say the same thing for 15 or 20 minutes until they get to what they're, to keep everybody interested and so forth. And I just don't do things that way. I like to get out what I have to say and not keep people occupied for a longer time than is necessary. Not have them this way they can move on. So just in case we're all educated now about speculoos crackers, and they are pretty good, by the way. They are pretty good. If I would have just put butter on this or something else, I would have liked it better.
Do you
But
have butter?
I've only got that margarine stuff, Blue Bonnet, or
Yeah.
like that. Should I put that on it?
Sure.